My name's John Erickson. I'm located in Los Angeles, California. And I'm reading for the role of Colt. Hello?
Yes, hi. Hello. Who am I speaking with?
I'm Colt. And you are...
No, Kay.
I'm glad you called, Kay. I know that was hard for you.
Was it?
I was sitting right where you are about a year ago.
I doubt that.
Is someone forcing you to make this call?
Why do you ask that?
Well, sometimes we get that someone in your life puts a gun to your head and...
Is that some kind of threat?
No! It was a poor choice of words.
Why are you doing this to me?
I'm not doing anything to you. I need to confess something.
Okay.
I've only been doing this a few weeks. So I'm brand new and I apologize if the process feels rough.
Rough is one word for it.
I can relate, though, believe me,
Prove it.
I couldn't sleep. That's what made me finally pick up the phone call. The phone would ring and someone would knock on the door and I would feel this crippling anxiety. I didn't want to see another human, ever again. I just wanted to hole up inside and never come out again. All I wanted to do was hide in the dark and give in to my addiction.
Addiction?
Yeah. I was Jim Beam. What's yours?
Wine. Red wine.
Why do you think you drink so much?
Because it makes me feel good?
Yes, but no. You can do better than that.
Are you rejecting my reason for drinking?
The substance only covers up something else.
Yeah, what's that?
Pain.
How'd you stop drinking?
I lost a close family member. Sort of a wake-up call.
Did it have something to do with a website?
What?
I read about it recently. A girl died because of some website.
No. That sounds specific. If you still want help, I can set you up with an advocate.
What's that?
It's kind of like a sponsor, but I'm required to tell you that we're not affiliated with AA.
So you're like an Alcoholics Anonymous knockoff?
No. The Freedom Network is an online resource for people to pursue sobriety.
Sounds like you copied AA.
Like, how did you get this number if you don't know who we are?
Could I choose you to be my advocate?
We try to pair women with women.
If you're just gonna hand me off to some stranger, maybe I should hang up.
No. We could do a few sessions together to assess. It would help me find a better fit for you.
Great. How soon can we start?